Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can make your GPU run at 100%. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First off, what you have to do is just simply head over to your settings. So this is same for the Windows 10 and 11. What you have to do is just first up you go to your power settings. If you type in power on your settings, both on Windows 10 or 11, you'll see this option. And right over here, you'll see power mode and mine's on performance. So make sure that your power mode is actually on performance, not on best saving energy. This makes your GPU run at 100%. Now you have to press on display settings right over here once you're in the main desktop. And right over here, you'll see the option of graphic settings. So if you just got to go ahead and press on graphic settings, and right over here, you'll see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So this will make your GPU run a lot faster, and you just need to simply turn it on. So I don't actually need to turn it on because my GPU is actually very good for me. So if I had to turn it on, I would be doing it while intense gaming or anything, but I don't do that. But after that, you'll see graphics performance preferences. So right over here, this is optional, but if you want a bit more performance and a bit more use of your GPU, you can just press on browse and select your preferred game. So I'm going to show you the example. So right here I'm using RDR2. If I press on add, it will add the game and it will put all the graphic performance to that game, and it will do its best. Now the last and final method is to simply go to your NVIDIA control panel. If you're using an NVIDIA GPU, this is for you. But yeah, if you want your best performance from your graphic card, you just need to use my preferences on the quality on the adjust image settings with preview, and you have to take it all the way to performance. And yeah, there you go. Now it's done. And now your GPU will run at 100%. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you. I'll see you soon.